Hello and welcome to this video titled Nova Scotia Challenge. In this video, we will be suggesting an initiative that can be used to help support our community in Nova Scotia as we try to move forward and help them grow both economically and socially, especially during this pandemic period. Now, how can Nova Scotia grow socially and economically? Socially, Nova Scotia can grow by administering COVID-19 vaccine to the entire population of Nova Scotia. It can also grow by observing COVID-19 measures by people in Nova Scotia. Economically, Nova Scotia can grow and move forward during this pandemic period by making sure that the COVID-19 vaccine is affordable to everyone in the community. This will furtherly boost the economy when everyone can afford the vaccine. Hereby, everyone will be back to work and the economy will be fully in place. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.